Yes, you read it right. There is a secret feature to the cameras on the Mavic 2s, and we're going to talk about it today, so stay tuned. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, Tech. I'm Original Dobo, and if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of the video. So today I was playing around with the application on my Zoom, and I was out in the front yard flying it, and I just accidentally long pressed and dragged my finger across the screen. And lo and behold, I saw the drone moving and I freaked out and I looked up and the drone wasn't moving. However, the camera was actually panning left to right. So I did it again and it panned again, left to right. And I started thinking to myself, well, wait a second, did I miss them talk about this at the event? It's very possible. In any event, I did it again and again, and I was like, this is amazing. The fact that I have one of my favorite features from the Inspire here on a Mavic 2. So in order to achieve this, it's really simple. All you need to do is long press anywhere on the live view of the screen and simply just drag your finger either right to left or left to right. Now you can also adjust the pitch of your gimbal as well as you're dragging. Now keep in mind, this is not going to go a full 90 degrees, but it comes pretty close. If I had to say, it's about 75 degrees either left or right, which is still pretty fantastic. Now if you have the Zoom version, you can also sort of invert this as well and go a full 30 degrees upwards with your pitch. Now it is a little bit difficult to do this and try to fly your drone at the same time, so definitely practice somewhere maybe in an open field before you take this out and test your piloting skills while you're panning. But this will definitely give your footage a brand new dynamic, something that we haven't really seen before, especially transitioning from one shot to the next. Now to bring it back to center, just use your control function button number 1 on the left hand side behind the remote. Click it twice, it'll go down, and click it again and it'll go back up to center. Now if your gimbal's already facing down, it will automatically bring it straight up and center. Overall, I really think this feature is awesome. I wish I would have had this on the Phantoms, but given the fact the way the Phantoms legs were designed, this probably wouldn't have worked out very well. However, on the Mavics, you get a lot more room to pan left or right, but this should really make for some really awesome tracking shots and some incredible angles. I really look forward to see what I can do with this now, and I'm going to try to get out there and go flying, and so should you. Anyways, thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button. As always, guys, stay original. We'll see you next time.
Now don't you worry, not a single bit. It's like a voice in my head, and now it's time to reveal it. It's a flow killer beat, and we dance like we back from the dead. And if you want my opinion,